How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Therefore. B. Plus or minus. C. Infinite. D. Not equal to. The answer is B. Plus or minus. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Mod x. B. P of e. C. P of x. D. Point A, B. The answer is D. Point A, B. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Rupee. B. Is perpendicular to. C. Is parallel to. D. Flower bracket. The answer is A. Rupee. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Sin theta cos theta tan theta. B. Log x to the base a. C. X bar. D. Sigma. The answer is D. Sigma. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Sin theta cos theta tan theta. B. Log x to the base a. C. X bar. D. Point A, B. The answer is A. Sin theta cos theta tan theta. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Rupee. B. Is perpendicular to. C. Is parallel to. D. Since. The answer is D. Since. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Cup of. B. Square root of. C. Cap of. D. Cube root of. The answer is B. Square root of. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Therefore. B. Is similar to. C. Infinite. D. Is congruent to. The answer is A. Therefore. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Plus or minus. B. Therefore. C. Not equal to. D. Theta. The answer is D. Theta. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Mod x. B. Log x to the base a. C. X bar. D. Point A, B. The answer is C. X bar. Please like, share, subscribe.